Okay, we're at the top of the bell tower of the Basilica and across from the main island of Venice. Right there, the reddish building is our hotel. And then there's St. Mark's Square with its bell tower that you have to walk up. This one had an elevator. Yay! Take a look at this. This is just incredible. Here's the church that we are in, where we had Mass this morning. This is what's called the Grand Canal right here. Goes running right straight through. Used to be able to, where that little bridge is, have our cruise boats went, but they banned them all. Now they dock miles away. That's actually another island right here. It's cut off for the island that the church is on. So we're going to go over here to the left. Okay, moving over a little bit. This is all of, oops, let me back out a little bit. Sorry. This is all part of this monastery where the Basilica is. So notice the grass. I don't know how many monks are here. This supposedly is the largest labyrinth of any place outside of France. You can see the boats going all the way to that island. I believe there's a Marriott on that island. We'll go to the next side. Come over here so you can see the labyrinth. We had a little tapas down there at that little restaurant and some sailing boats, pretty nice ones. And there's the main island of Venice. And over to the Venice sides. So we have little private little things like that one down there. There is a water taxi. And there's a Valbrado, a public bus. And that's the main island of Venice. Takes 45 minutes to walk across this way and 75 minutes the other way, only if you know the route, because there are no straight routes. You have walkways, you have then bridges to figure out. Hotel Danielle. Read about it, that's ours. It's a former palace of the Pope, he was the ruler from a Catholic Church standpoint of Venice. He was the highest ranking person